Time. Time is always changing. Summer turns to fall and fall turns to winter. We all start out as babies, babies grow into toddlers, toddlers into children, and so on. Just like weather and people change with the wind, so do our enjoyments as well as the years. We are all clocks to the slave. We live our lives fixated on time. We always run, run, run until you have to turn the lights on to see, and the harvest moon is just ready to set. You go to sleep day by day as the moon waxes and wanes, until crystals cake the crevices of your eyes, the alarm blaring, telling you it's day, telling you it's time to get up. Cell phones keep many entertained. The time stares at us in that little corner, the numbers always changing, going up until they reset. The numbers watch us as we use our phones, a gentle reminder that many of us are not alone. We are all listening to those 3 or 4 numbers, whether it's on our phones, a hand clock, or digital, it's all the same. There seems to be a time for everything, even when it's obscure. Disinterest and interest, right and wrong. For some, our feelings tell us when to stop. It doesn't feel like it's the right time. It's not time to do that. I feel like it's time to write this. It's time. Many of us have it built within us to do right. Time will tell all. Sometimes, time can go unbearably slow, similar to how a gear works. It can either turn slow, moving and making a lot of noise with each clunk, or the wheels can move rapidly, making noise, yet the sounds are more happier than a clunk, sounding more confident as connections are made. Its cogs smiling with each click, as the machines hum happily to the tune of their own work. I could create so many metaphors, but you get my point. Time is valuable. In the moment, it tends to go slower. When you think back on your memories, it seems to be remembered by the blink of an eye. And so we all sit, lay, or stand here watching the wheels go round and round, watching the numbers go up until they reset again and again, seemingly just on time.